Hello friends, welcome to DevOps tutorial, and in this video lecture we will learn how to promote and demote a Docker node in a Swarm cluster. So suppose example, if you are working on a cluster where you have multiple nodes, some nodes are working as a manager and some nodes are working as a worker. So in some situation you want to promote a worker to the manager, and if you want to demote a manager to the worker, so how we will do that one we can learn in this video lecture. So first of all we have to create a Docker Swarm. So that we have command is Docker Swarm init. So we can see here the swarm is initialized here, and this is working as a manager, and here we have the token to create a worker. Okay, so let's clear this one and check how many nodes we have. So if you want to check that how many nodes we have in that cluster, so the command is docker node ls. So we can see here that's only one node is here, and this is the host IP address. Status is ready, availability active, and manager status is leader. Okay, now we are adding a one worker here. So this is my another host machine, so I'm just putting that token here. So once we okay, there's some error, so this is because of the permission. So if you get facing this kind of error, so solution is sudo chmod and that path. Okay, so again we have to create a token. So the command is, if you forget the token that at the time of initialize the docker, so we have the another command is to generate a worker token. So the command is docker swarm join hyphen token, and if you want to join as a worker, so we have worker token. So when we execute this command, a token will be generated, and this token working as a worker. So go to the another host and enter. So this node join as a worker. So again we have to put the command is docker node ls. So we can see here there's a two nodes are available, and both availability are active mode. Okay, so let's inspect the docker node. So for that one we have command is docker node inspect, and if you want to inspect the recent node, so we can see here we will get the complete details about that node. Okay, so here we can see that one the role is a worker. Okay, so this node working as a worker. So let's clear this again, docker node ls, and we will check this node now. So docker node ls, sorry, inspect and id. So we will get the complete information here, and see this node working as a manager. Okay, so the task is how to become this node as a manager. Okay, so we have the command is docker swarm, sorry, docker node ls docker node promote, and if you want we have to provide the host name or host id. So here we are providing the id. So this node become as a manager once we execute this command. So we can see here node this promoted to the manager. So again we have to execute the command is docker node ls. So we can see here is a reachable, and let's inspect that command. Docker node inspect. So we can see here this node become as a manager, and here we can also execute the docker node command. So the manager only can execute the docker node command. The worker cannot execute this command. So this is the way we can create a worker to a manager. We can promote as a worker to manager. Okay. So now the next task is how to demote a manager to a worker. So we will do same thing. We will demote a same manager to the worker. So docker node ls. Okay. Now I want to demote this node to a worker. So the command is docker node demote, and we have to provide the host name or ID. So we are using ID here. So we can see here the message this ID demote into the swarm. Okay, so docker node ls, we can see here the status is ready and the reachable is removed, and let's do the inspect command and we will check the status of that node. So docker node ls, sorry, inspect, and provide the ID. So we can see here the role is changed again. Before the role was promote to the worker, and now is demote to the manager. Now it's demote to the worker. Okay. So now again run the same command docker node ls. Okay, and go to the another node and run the command is docker node. Okay, sorry, docker node ls. So this command will not work. So this command is only work for the manager. Okay, and this node is a worker. So thank you guys. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos, and please provide your valuable feedback in my comment section.